Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this TP-Link Wi-Fi router AX1800 dual band Archer AX23. The reason why I bought this is that my Starlink Wi-Fi signal is very weak, and there are some places I'll get to my house I won't receive signal, especially the 5 gigahertz band, of which is the strongest. The 2.4 gigahertz band travels farther, but I am unable to stream with it, especially on my television. That's the main reason I bought this. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I hope you find this video helpful. While you do that, please help us by clicking the like button and subscribe to this channel to help us grow. Thank you as you do that. Now, without wasting your time, let's go straight into that and unbox this guy. Okay. Ooh, this inside. Look what we have inside. Looks like manual fabric quick guide installation. Okay, that's that for that. Let's keep it aside. Oh, another quick installation guide here. Okay, let's keep it aside. Wi-Fi info card. Okay. Seems to have a lot of. Oh, fortunately, we are not interested in that. This is the power adapter. Okay. Then this is the guy we've been waiting for. Okay. I don't know if you can see the technical specifications to help you make an informed decision should you choose to go for this. This is how it looks, of which many YouTubers are not doing. So I decided to take a step further and show you guys what to expect. I think you can find it on Amazon or any retail store out there. Okay, the back. These are the antennas. Here are the Wi-Fi ports, and this is the internet, of which I'm going to connect to my Starlink Ethernet. I already bought my Starlink Ethernet adapter. I'm going to show you guys quickly. I'm going to drop this side. Okay. This is the Starlink Ethernet adapter which I received yesterday from Starlink. I already did a review for this, the unboxing. This is it. I'm going to be using both. This one goes straight into the Starlink router. Then the Starlink dish will go here. Then here, this Ethernet port will go from here to this TP link. I believe so. So I'm going to take my time and couple this and show you guys how it looks and run a speed test and see if it's worth it. Although I was promised a reduced latency with this TP link, so I hope it does the job perfectly. I'm going to report back and show you guys how it is, if it's worth it. Okay, that's that. Thanks for watching. See you some other time. Take care.